We're starting, what is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic. Thank you for tuning in to our freaking not really awesome channel. Today we got a sneaker review, unboxing, a real freaking unboxing for you guys. This is from Nike. Yeah, our videos are at, why am I spinning this box? This is the Nike Zoom Air Flight 90 freaking 5 retro OG colorway. If you guys are familiar with this, Jason Kidd, he actually popularized this shoe. It's also the shoe that made Zoom Air famous. It's not the first shoe to feature Zoom Air, but it is the first shoe to make Zoom Air famous and popular. A lot of awesome guards, point gods, if you want to call it. Back in the days, in the 90s, they actually rocked this particular shoe. Different colorways. There's a lot of freaking retros, and the last pair that I actually owned was the 2015 version. It was made in China, made in Xinhua, but this one's made in Vietnam. I'm okay with it. I'm not complaining. Let's do a real unboxing. If you guys are like, this is not even real, look at this. Look at this official Nike box. Check out the freaking tab here. I didn't even open this. Say it with me, guys. All this cardboard freaking, ugh. You guys ready? I am freaking ready. Oh, I can already smell. Hey, it's upside down. Alright. Ooh, my goodness. Let's put this over here so that you guys can see. Oh, this is the sportswear, of course, orange Nike boring box. They've been doing this for a long time. Air Zoom Flight 95 size 12, black, white, metallic, silver. Oh, guys, have a freaking close-up. My film crew will do random PIP, picture in picture, so that you guys can get a better view, a better look. This freaking shoe, it is... Oh, man, I am so weird. Oh, it actually has the quality control sticker. Wow, finally. And a stupid, I don't know, whatever stamp, date, you want to call it, for authenticity. Who cares? Who cares if anything else in there? No, let's put this aside. Let's just stack it on top like block Legos. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do a quick quality check. What is this? What is this? Let's check the other side. This is the first time for me actually touching the shoe after so many years. This is my real reaction. It doesn't actually smell bad. It just smells like a new shoe. There's no strong chemical smell. This is awesome. I'm gonna check for glue stains. Wow, check out the front. Check out the bottom, the wavy, cool, simple outsole. Check out the back, the butt shot. If you like the wideness of it, you are with me here. The inside, the medial side view, the tongue, it's got... It's got vents for breathability, and of course black insole with the Nike Air printing, of course. This little cool heel tab, it's got embroidered flight, the swoosh. You know what? I gotta calm down. What am I doing? I'm just brushing the nubuck. The upper, it is not suede. If you are watching other reviews and they're saying like it's suede, it is not suede, it is nubuck. You got the carbon fiber kind of print. I don't know, it's not carbon fiber, I can tell you that. This is of course not even real carbon fiber. I do wish, and I don't know, I don't think that the bottom here, the clear windows, for the support here, the torsion support, I don't think that plate's actually carbon fiber. I don't even know if back then they used real carbon fiber, but they should if they didn't. I do know that these little bug eye bubbles here, the print back then, it was actually better. It does look a little cheap nowadays. I think back then they used a very similar kind of material up here for those little cool bubbles at the bottom. No, it is not squishy. It is extremely hard because it's a clear freaking plastic, but I love this design. If you think that this kind of shoe is ugly, have you checked the mirror? Because I checked the mirror this morning, and yes, I do look a little ugly. I got a little injury underneath my eye from basketball. Same teammate, he just accidentally swiped through my eyes. He needs to cut his nails. Oh my god, Asians, cut your friggin' nails. Oh, I can still see that this shoe is sick. It is a freaking big ass shoe. Back then, I don't know why. Everything was just bigger and heavier. Bring, bring. Hello? Jason K, what is good? Oh, yeah, I was gonna ask you. Yeah, so you still have Zoom Air on the forefoot. Okay, and what about the heel? Is there any cushioning? Encapsulated air unit. Okay, you better be right. Are you sure you're right? Because I don't want to give YouTube the wrong information. You're 100%, but not 100% sure. Good enough. All right, have a good day. Okay, yeah, I'll see you. I'll catch you later. Okay, bye. Some people actually think that these are very ugly. I don't know what to say. You should just stop watching my channel. I really love the old school Flight logo on the back of the bag. There's a little bit of stitching sticking out. That's not cool. I like wide butts and I cannot lie. The white midsole here, you can actually squish it, but too bad. Like I said, you cannot squish these bubbles. They're glued on. It looks perfect. It lines up. This shoe is legit. What do you think I'm doing? I'm doing the Sneaker Clinic Sneaker Authenticating check. I know the shoe came from Nike. You gotta be kidding. Why don't I show YouTube how I actually do sneaker authenticating? Here you go, YouTube. This is how I authenticate my shoes. Yeah, looks like the right dimensions. There's a hole! Almost got a cardboard cut. Yeah, it's legit. But this part though, it just looks like I'm sniffing someone's butt. Oh yeah, the color's white. Totally legit. Last but not least, you gotta do the cheek test. This feels super AUTHENTICATE. I just spelled authenticate. Oh.